doctor basically क्या है कि I'm a gym guy.
Okay.
ठीक है, and usually I would prefer is कि I should go and see a physiotherapist because it's been 11 years and there's a relation between a gym guy and a physiotherapist.
Yeah.
So usually what happens like I'm also a trainer in the gym, and when people are facing such kind of issues which I'm facing right now, they like कि मैं घर पे जाके आराम कर लेता हूँ या फिर मेडिसिन ले लेता हूँ. Which I've seen usually local people, they are not local people, not everyone who's not a gym guy or like they are not fitness enthusiasts. They are basically believe that they'll rest and it will be recovered. So according to you, what do you think like physiotherapy, like we should go for the physiotherapy or like rest is better? Like,
देखो फिजियोथेरेपी का अपना रोल है, रेस्ट का अपना रोल है. ऐसा नहीं है कि फिजियोथेरेपी रेस्ट को रिप्लेस करती है, बट रेस्ट पीरियड और आफ्टर रेस्ट पीरियड फिजियोथेरेपी.
right.
In some conditions, after rest physiotherapy दी जाती है, and in your condition now today you have got some shoulder injury in the
Yeah,
morning.
actually I'm getting like I had this injury in the gym. Like I was working out and this thing happened. Right
Yeah.
now I'm not able to move myself. Before, like when I came here, I was not able to move myself.
Yeah.
Right now I can say it's better, much better. Like I can have some movement,
Yeah.
but before that there was nothing.
But like both ways you can take the treatment. First is 3 days rest, and after that 3 days you can come to us for physiotherapy, or you have just come today only for physiotherapy. It is also a better option, right?
Because I'm
Yes.
on a preparation mood. I'm on a
Yes.
prep mode. Like
You cannot waste your time. Right?
exactly.
Yes,
Like,
yes.
time is money and time is everything for me. So instead of resting at home, I prefer कि मैं but physiotherapy करा लूँ. Like I can get your opinion for this. And apart from this, like even when my clients are saying कि सर मैं medicine दे बता दो मेरे को कोई medicine, I believe like it's a temporary,
Yeah.
temporary.
It's a masking thing, ना?
Yes.
Symptom mask करता है वो.
Correct.
प्रॉब्लम को ट्रीट नहीं करता, राइट? तो वही है कि आपके केस में हम लोग रिकवरी को बूस्ट अप कर रहे हैं,
Right.
फास्ट कर रहे हैं.
People believe that if you are going for physiotherapy, it will be costly. Apart from this, like doctor क्या ही कर देगा? They actually don't know what is the actual benefit of physiotherapy.
लोग फिजियोथेरेपी को सिकाई समझते हैं.
सिकाई समझते हैं कि सिकाई नहीं तो मैं घर पे भी कर
फिर
सकता
शोल्डर
हूँ.
इंजरी हुई है, मैं
हाँ.
आइस पैक लगा लूंगा, 3
बस.
मिनट तक वेट करूंगा, उसके बाद मैं सोचूंगा कि मैं फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट के पास जाऊंगा.
Exactly,
तो
exactly.
आप एजुकेटेड हो, नॉलेजेबल हो, कनेक्टेड हो हमसे काफी ईयर से, तो यू नो इट कि
Yeah.
फिजियोथेरेपी आपकी रिकवरी को बूस्ट अप कर रहा है.
Like it's been more than 2 years I'm coming here. More than 2
more
years.
than 4 years, I think.
3 or 4, yeah.
Yeah, more than
As far
4
as I
years.
remember, because when I came here, because of this shoulder injury as well.
Yeah.
When I
Okay,
started,
the shoulder injury.
yes.
Yes.
Even like मैंने local पहलवानों को भी दिखाया, but it didn't work out with me. So I actually came here for physiotherapy, and now whenever this thing happens with me, I came here.
Thank you. But एक ये भी सजेशन लोगों को आप दे सकते हो कि what is the difference actually between a पहलवान and between a surgeon and between a physiotherapist, क्योंकि लोगों को ये पता ही नहीं है.
हाँ, पहलवान.
What is the role of a
पहलवान,
physiotherapist?
they are educated, but I would not say कि they are they can pinpoint the pain, or they'll just smash ऊपर दबा देंगे या उसके बाद में
पट्टी बांध देंगे,
झटका
झटका निकाल देंगे.
Exactly. झटका कोई भी निकाल सकता है. अगर मुझे बोला कि भाई कमर झटका, I can do that easily. That's
But
very easy.
it is not evidence based,
हाँ.
ना कि झटका कहाँ का निकालना है, क्यों
Exactly.
निकालना है. Actually, सही.
And even there are physiotherapists जो actually उन्होंने अपना इंस्टीट्यूट और क्लिनिक खोल रखा है, and they are just opened it.
Yes.
ठीक है कि आ जाओ. And recently I will not take the name. I went to a physiotherapist and I told him that I am having this pain.
Okay.
So he's like, okay, remove your t-shirt, and what he did is he gave me some oil, put it on my back, and start massaging my back, and then cupping. I was like, you are free to go. Like,
Okay.
did you check my pain? Like, you actually did the whole cupping session with me, and now you are saying कि it's done. I'm still having the pain. Okay, then we will have to continue now, and more time के साथ gradually जाएगा. Okay.
Then you think that a physiotherapist should assess the pain first.
Exactly.
Obviously.
There's no point ना. अगर आपको पेन का ही नहीं पता है तो उसको बंदे को कहाँ पेन और पेशेंट को कहाँ पेन हो रहा है, you are
You
just
are totally right.
you are just doing कि हाँ कर देते हैं, कहीं अगर पकड़ में आ गया तो ठीक है, नहीं तो दोबारा आ जाए.
So we also want the people to know and understand this कि assessment based treatment में और just symptom management में बहुत फर्क है.
Exactly.
Symptom management सब लोग कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
तो we have to check the conditions.
आज के टाइम पे अगर देखा जाए, everyone is like कि यार कमर का दर्द है, थोड़ा सा लेट जा, मैं दबा देता हूँ, हो जाएगा. वो टेम्पररी है. मेडिसिन दैट इज ऑल्सो टेम्पररी. जब तक मेडिसिन का असर आपका दर्द हट जाएगा, आप स्ट्रॉन्ग पेन किलर ले लोगे, वो हटा देगी. देयर लॉट ऑफ मेडिसिन हु आर एक्चुअली हैवी डोज, बट वो एडिक्टिव भी है, वो आपके लिवर को भी डैमेज करती है. देयर इज नो पॉइंट गोइंग फॉर दैट काइंड ऑफ मेडिसिन्स. देयर इज नो पॉइंट.
ऑन कॉन्ट्रेरी पीपल हैव दिस माइंडसेट कि एक गोली से क्या होगा,
एक गोली से क्या होगा,
राइट, 2 खा लेता हूँ, 3 खा लेता हूँ. व्हाई टू गो फॉर पेन किलर्स, व्हाई टू गो फॉर स्वेलिंग रिड्यूस थिंग्स. सीधा फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट के पास जाके अपना स्वेलिंग मैनेजमेंट भी करा सकते हैं, पेन मैनेजमेंट भी करा सकते हैं.
They think they are saving money, but instead, when things get worse, they start actually paying a lot of money.
They are wasting money for future.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. So thank you for choosing us, Mr. Parikshit. Thank you so much for choosing, and thank you so much for guiding our clients. Thank you so much.
Thank you.